Good morning, friends. Study material, session 40. The problems of the rank correlation. No equal ranks has been there in the problem at the time, so this the method has to be used. Here they are asking to find the rank correlation for the following data and give your comments. Marks in accounts 84, 56, 89, 58, 59, 67, 74, 78. Marks in maths 38, 69, 56, 58, 63, 78, 87, 77. Here marks in accounts has been assumed as the X series and marks in maths be Y series. Marks in accounts X series 84, 56, 89, 58, 59, 67, 74, 78. Y series 38, 69, 56, 58, 63, 78, 87, 77. Here heading we have been written as the calculation of Spearman's rank correlation. The formula for the rank correlation here is the R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n cube minus n. Here sigma d square you have to calculate. For that you have to find the difference. For the difference we have to first assign the ranks. Here the ranks has not been given in the problem at the time. We have to assign the ranks. The highest one here is the 89 1, 84 2, 78 3, 74 4, 67 5, 59 6, 58 7, 56 8. Here 8 ranks has been given. Now 8 pairs has been given. We have given the judges R1. R1 means the ranks which has been given by the first judge as they. Then in the same way we have to find the ranks which has been given by the second judge. Here marks in the mass has been converted into the R2. The first one 87 first, 78 second, 77 third, 69 fourth, 63 fifth, 58 6, 56 7, 38 8th rank. After finding the ranks by the first judge and the second judge, we have to find the difference between the R1 and R2. 2 minus 8 minus 6, 8 minus 4 4, 1 minus 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0. Then after finding the differences we have to find the d square. D square is the differences of the first judge and the second judge, and we have to get the squares of these differences between the two judges so that we can apply the formula of the R, that is the correlation coefficient by the Spearman's. Now minus 6 into minus 6 36, 4 into 4 16, minus 6 into minus 6 36, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 3 9, 0 into 0 0. You have to get the total of the d square. 36 plus 16, it is 52. 52 plus 36 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0, you will get 108. Here R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is the 108. Number of pairs are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pairs are there. Here 8 cube minus 8. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into 108, 648. 8 cube minus 8, it comes to 512 minus 8, 504. If you divide, you will get R is equal to 1 minus 1.28. The R is equal to minus 2.8. There is a moderate degree of negative correlation between marks in accounts and maths. So this is the R. R means rank correlation coefficient, which has been given by the Spearman. Here the correlation is negative. It is the moderate degree of the correlation between the marks which has been given by the the marks which has been given by the accounts and maths. And here marks in maths and marks in accounts is correlated. How much it has been correlated? It is negative correlated, that is the minus 0.28. So this is about the first one. Marks has been assigned and we have to get the total. That is the R1 has to be, we have to calculate, R2 has to be calculated. Then R1 minus R2 is the D. D means difference between the first judge and the second judge. And then D square, what the differences you have been calculated, that D square has to be, you have to calculate. Then you have to get the sigma D square, then apply the formula for the rank correlation. 1 minus 6 sigma D square is 108 divided by 8 cube minus 8, so that we'll get the R is equal to 0.28. So this is the rank correlation. Then in the second one, calculate coefficient of correlation by rank difference method. Here they have given the X as the 75, 88, 95, 70, 60, 80, 81, 50. Y is equal to 120, 134, 150, 115, 110, 140, 142, 100. Here heading we have to write it as the calculation of Spearman's rank correlation. Here X values we have been written as the 75, 88, 95, 70, 60, 80, 81, 50. Y 120, 134, 150, 115, 110, 140, 142, 100. Then we have to assign the ranks. Here the highest one here is the 95, first rank, 88, second rank, 81, third rank, 80, fourth rank, 75, fifth rank, 70, sixth rank, 50, eighth rank. So here you have been assigned the ranks for the first series. Then Y series, the first rank is for the 150. Second rank, it is for the 142. Third rank, 140. Fourth rank, 134. Fifth rank, it is the 120. Sixth rank, 115. Seventh rank, 110. Eighth rank, 100. You have been assigned the ranks for the first X as well as the Y. And you have been got the R1 and R2. R1 means the ranks which has been given by the first judge. R2, the ranks which has been given by the second judge. Then we have to find the differences. R1 minus R2, D. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. Then minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Total of the sigma D square is equal to 6. Then we have to apply the formula. R means rank correlation. Rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. Here we have to substitute the values. 1 minus, it is the 6 sigma D square, it is the 36. So that we will get the 0.92. There is a strong positive correlation as the 0.92. 0.92 is the rank correlation. Rank correlation 0.92. Here there is a positive correlation, a strong positive correlation. So from this we can come to know about the how we can find the, first we have to assign the ranks, then find the differences, then square these differences so that we can apply the formula. What is the formula for the rank correlation? 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n, where d is equal to difference between the first judge and the second judge, and n is equal to number of pairs, so that we can here come to the conclusion whether the ranks correlation between the first judge and the second judge is positive correlated. They are thinking in the same direction. The first judge is having the same test, second judge is also having the same test in the judgments. If they get the positive correlation, the two more than 0.75. If they get the less than 0.5, then there is the moderate is there. Less than 25 means it is the low degree between the here correlation between the first judge and the second judge is low. Low degree correlation between the two are there. So this is how we can calculate the rank correlation coefficient. It is helpful for the much of the decisions in the many areas or the many sections. Thank you.